Mangoes, often referred to as the king of fruits, are not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, mangoes offer a wide range of health benefits that make them a valuable addition to any diet. One of the most notable benefits of eating mangoes is their high vitamin C content. Just 1 cup of sliced mango provides nearly 70% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant plays a crucial role in boosting the immune system, protecting against infections, and promoting overall health. In addition to vitamin C, mangoes are also rich in vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision, skin, and immune function. The beta-carotene found in mangoes is converted into vitamin A in the body, making it a valuable nutrient for maintaining optimal health. Mangoes are also a good source of dietary fiber, which is important for digestive health. Fiber helps to regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and promote a healthy gut microbiome. Eating mangoes on a regular basis can help to improve digestion and reduce the risk of digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome. Furthermore, mangoes are a great source of antioxidants, which help to protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation. The high levels of polyphenols and carotenoids found in mangoes have been shown to have anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties, making them a valuable addition to a healthy diet. In addition to their health benefits, mangoes are also a delicious and versatile fruit that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Whether eaten fresh, blended into smoothies, or added to salads and salsas, mangoes add a burst of flavor and sweetness to any dish. Mangoes are also a low-calorie fruit, making them a great option for those looking to maintain or lose weight. With only around 100 calories per cup, mangoes are a satisfying and nutritious snack that can help to curb cravings and prevent overeating. Another benefit of eating mangoes is their potential to improve skin health. The high levels of vitamin C and other antioxidants found in mangoes can help to promote collagen production, reduce the signs of aging, and protect against sun damage. Including mangoes in your diet can help to achieve a healthy and glowing complexion. Furthermore, mangoes have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to reduce pain and swelling associated with conditions such as arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. The phytochemicals found in mangoes have been shown to inhibit inflammatory pathways in the body, making them a valuable addition to a healthy diet. In conclusion, mangoes are a delicious and nutritious fruit that offer a wide range of health benefits. From their high vitamin C content to their antioxidant properties, mangoes are a valuable addition to any diet. Whether eaten fresh or incorporated into a variety of dishes, mangoes are a versatile and flavorful fruit that can help to improve overall health and well-being. So next time you're looking for a healthy and delicious snack, reach for a mango and enjoy all the benefits it has to offer.